What's going on YouTube? So I wasn't going to buy an iPhone, but here we are today, $1,000 in debt. Let's go ahead and unbox the iPhone 15 Pro in black. Okay, I swear I won't talk too much over this beautiful ASMR, but the differences between these two phones, minimal but drastic difference. First of all, it's way lighter. The build quality is obviously different. It's not better. I wouldn't say better, but it's different. And I'll get into the reasons why in just a bit. But first, we're going to go and transfer everything, and we'll see you guys in 24 hours. So it's been about a day, and we actually got a company to send out a case and screen protector. So shout out to Humix for sending out an easy installer for screen protector as well as a case. If you guys want to go check them out, I'll leave a link in the description. Like 30 minutes ago, I dropped my phone, so I've been needing this case. I know the 15 is very weak when it comes to even the titanium scratching and chipping to reveal the single color. The back glass is also a lot cheaper. Let's check out the case first. I'm curious to see which one they sent me. It looks like a black or a blue. Oh, nice. So it's a metallic blue case that they sent me with MagSafe. That's going to be really good. And it does have like an inner lining of metallic silver. And it is clear as well. Let's go and test this out. That looks really good. You got that MagSafe on it as well, so you can attach your MagSafe accessories. You do have cutouts there and the button, which is very easily clickable. You also have the action button, which does work. Volume rocker does work. That's cool. And you do have good protection on the screen as well, so that's nice. All right, let's go and check out this screen protector. I'm actually more excited about this. One of the screen protectors in here. You got the screen protector and the full kit to install it. We also do have the installation kit for the one that's pre-installed. This is the pre-installed one, and I love what they did here. Instead of putting two plastic pieces, they just do one, and then you could interchange them here on the back. So you can just pop it off, and then you use the secondary screen protector and pop this part back onto that plastic piece. So very smart on Humix. Oh, there's a squeegee in here. That's going to be very helpful. Have a microfiber, lay it down, place your phone there. So the top, it shows you where the top is right there. And then you pull this tab right here to release it. The OLED screen protector. As you can see, this one's a very cheap one. And what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and get the wet wipe. We're going to go ahead and wipe it all down. Time to dry it off. Now we're going to use this dust sticker here. It will make it easier to see dust if you have the screen off completely. We're going to go ahead and pull the tab just like so. And then we're going to lay it flat. The top is the top, the bottom is the bottom. There we go. Just place it onto the top here. Run your finger along the middle and push down, and we're done. Just like that, we have a perfect installation. You can use the squeegee if there are air bubbles. Right now I don't see any. And then like I mentioned before, you have a secondary packet here that you can go ahead and install. Alright YouTube, so it's been about a week since we had our iPhone 15. This is what we're rocking with. We have a new Benks case that they sent out. It's a real carbon fiber 600D grade. So it's a finer carbon fiber material. It's harder to actually manufacture this. So shout out to you guys for actually sending this out. The screen protector from Humix is also my #1 favorite right now as well. The oleophobic coating on it, it was good for about 2 days, but now it's starting to get dirty. But it feels really smooth and really good whenever you're scrolling or typing or doing anything on your regular day-to-day usage. There's no cracks, there's no bubbles on it. Let me just give it a little wipe down real quick. As you can see, the phone is flawless from the front and the back. This is honestly my favorite case right now. I know a bunch of other companies are going to keep sending me cases for the phone, but they're not going to be removing this one as my daily driver. The Benks case is my #1 favorite right now. They're not even paying me to say that, and they should pay me to say that because this thing is amazing. They do have a Benks power bank, which I will get into that in the future, but this does have MagSafe on it, so it's super strong magnets on it. Like, it's super strong magnets. It takes a while to actually get anything off of it, but this is just an amazing device. I highly recommend you guys to check out Benks, check out Humix. These are my top 2 accessories right now. I know I have a bunch of other companies that also send me other stuff. I know Humix sent me a case, but the Humix case, in my opinion, was way too slippery. So if you guys want to check out anything, it'll be in the link in the description, including the phone. I know you're not that baller type, but you know, just in case. The camera quality, I'm going to go and throw up some B-roll footage for the iPhone 15 Pro. It's insane. I also have future update videos coming forward next month, such as the Aqara U100 smart lock. This is able to use Apple HomeKit and use your phone as a passkey. If you guys want to see more content just like that, make sure you guys drop a like on the video, subscribe, so I know you guys enjoyed the video. Obviously, this video was very expensive. I'm in debt right now. Please, I beg of you for that monetization. No, I'm playing. But if you guys also want to buy some like custom t-shirts, custom hoodies, hit me up as well. Without further ado, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember, we're going to have a new iPhone 15 Pro in white coming soon, so don't worry. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Go Bears.